Earn up to 85% on your stable coin with Exponential.Fi. So today you will learn everything you need to know about Exponential and how they can offer these crazy great returns. Hang tight because I will reveal if it's a good place to invest in or not. In the next 4 minutes, you will learn what is Exponential business model, what gives them an edge over their competitors, who is backing Exponential, and most importantly, does Exponential have the ingredients to make it the next billion-dollar crypto startup, and what you can do to profit from this project. AV here in this video, I will analyze and rate Exponential.Fi, a yield aggregator, with the help of our AI here at Predir Capital. If you like in-depth crypto reviews, please subscribe to support the channel to not miss any new videos. Let's get started. World domination. What is Exponential? Exponential is an investment platform that makes it easy to discover, assess, and invest in decentralized finance yield opportunities. How does the team behind Exponential make money? Well, they take a fee from the yields generated. The team behind the project is exceptional, an all-star team of former Uber and Amazon employees with diverse expertise across engineering, crypto, fintech, and consumer products. But it's important to note that they did not create any businesses in the past. This is their first according to their LinkedIn profiles. Next, let's talk about Exponential's competitive advantage. Their biggest advantage is their investors. They're some of the best, including Paradigm, FTX, Solana, and more. And they have built a strong and supportive community. What I find unique about this project is that they find the best yields in crypto for you. Looking at the industry growth, it was great at the start of this year, but obviously with the crash, the total value locked in DeFi went down from $170 billion in January to $52 billion in October. Exponential has some serious competitors, including Beefy Finance, Yearn Finance, and Badger DAO. They have a combined total value locked of over $700 million. Let's take a look at their investors, which are very interesting. So the project raised over $14 million on their seed round, considering that on average a seed round is only around $2 million. This is impressive. As said before, they have some of the best investors, and this is their biggest advantage. The investors behind are Tier 1, and they have backed well-known startups and billion-dollar businesses in the past. The portfolios of these investors are crazy. These investors already funded huge companies like Amazon, Canva, Zalando, and multiple crypto unicorns like Uniswap, Coinbase, FTX, and more. Let's talk about the most interesting part. How can you profit? Well, Exponential helps you find the best yields on DeFi, and you can participate by joining their waiting list on their website. It's important to note that currently there is no Exponential token available to purchase, and they do not plan to have a token at the moment. They currently offer up to 7% in 30 days on your DAI, which is a stable coin. This is equal to 85% return in a year, and they have other pools which are worth looking at and investing in if you feel like it. The competitors of Exponential do have a token that you can purchase, like Beefy Finance, Yearn Finance, AutoFarm, and more. Unfortunately for Exponential, this is not in their plan at the moment, but we never know, they might create one in the future. Now here's the answer we've all been waiting for. Does this project have the potential to be the next billion-dollar startup in crypto? Well, here are their strengths. They raise money super fast, top venture capitalists in crypto are invested, and they have a world-class team behind the project. Based on our AI, the chance for Exponential to become a billion-dollar startup is 50%. To conclude, I believe Exponential has some ingredients to become a billion-dollar unicorn. But in my opinion, they won't reach this level. However, I find their platform very useful as they find the best yields. Up to 85% on your DAI, you might want to try it. Obviously, this is not financial advice. You do what you want with your money. If you want to know the price of crypto 24 hours in advance, make sure to check out our newsletter, link in the description. Please like, subscribe to support my work, and see you in the next one.